Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We are out in Waynesville today at my man Ben's shop with Ben's Backdraft Barbecue. He just opened up a new location here. He's doing really well. Shout out to Ben. He actually came with us last year at the Big Kahuna Wing Festival, helped us win, took home grand champion on his smoker here, guys. If you've been following TMG very closely, you may have seen this thing in the background. Been building it, testing it for well over a year now. Finally got it wrapped up, delivered down here to Ben. He's gonna test it out for us, cook some good barbecue on it. So let's check her out. Now, 100% wood-fired rotisserie, guys, called the Revolver, all right? And control unit, we've got the fireboard. We teamed up with Fireboard to control this deal here, and there's a couple reasons we did that. Main one being, all right, you hook up your fireboard to your Wi-Fi at your shop, download the app on your phone, boom, you can adjust your temperature, control the smoker by your phone, go home, go to sleep. We got their wireless pulse probes here. All right, stick that in 3 or 4 of your butts. Not only does it tell you the temperature of the butt, it also does the ambient air temperature as well. All that ties in with the control board here, so it just makes for a very user-friendly application here. We'll open her up. It is completely insulated. The firebox is double insulated. I mean, hey, look at that door out there. That ain't no joke. All 1/4-inch plate steel on the inside. We'll flip her on here. We got 12 grates in there, 6 doubles, all stainless steel grating on the inside. Guys, it may be a big red box, but we still tried to throw our little TMG touch on there with the cool chain guard. We do have a manual evac here as well. You pull that out, that directs all the smoke, completely blocks off the chamber and goes straight out of the stack. Shut her back down, you're ready to roll. Now the firebox here, what you may notice that's different from this rotisserie from a lot of the other wood-fired units you may see is the vertical orientation of the firebox. So you got your fire directly underneath it. We've got some channels that distribute the heat evenly throughout the whole smoker. Runs really well, holds heat great. I mean, build your fire in there, go home, control it off your phone. Really don't get any better than that, folks. Mount on this trailer from my man Ben, threw him a couple steps in on there. Hey, he's ready to rock and roll. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.